In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video on your Instagram Note. Okay, let's get started. All you have to do is open your Instagram application right there. When you open your Instagram application, you're going to look at in the right upper part of your screen where you see this part right here. Okay, tap right here. Now you're going to see the part of where you see the word Note right here in the left upper part of your screen, Note. Okay, so then select that, and then you're going to see this camera icon showing right here. Okay, this camera part right here. Then here you can write a text note and all that. Then this camera option, if you're not seeing this camera option, please go to your Google Play Store and update your Instagram to the latest version to have it right there. Okay, don't worry, so just update your Instagram and then this will probably appear, okay, right there. Then now you can select it, and now this is where the magic happens. To create the video, so all you have to do is you're going to have to tap this blue part right here, then to record the video, and then tap it, and then you finish recording right there. Then I'll show you your video will appear at the top of your inbox for 24 hours. Okay, that's it. If you're really not satisfied with the video, you can decide to delete from there right there. Then you press this, tap the tick, and then now you can write the note right there. Anything, you can write anything. It can be like my vid, okay, yo. And then when you do that, you can decide to share it with your close friends, or you can decide to share it with the followers you follow back, either way, whatever you select. Then after doing that, you tap on done, and then you look at the share option right there. You tap on share. Okay, so that's the video note. You can see the video right here in the left upper part of the screen. This part right here that I'm showing you right now. Now literally that's the video, okay, which has been posted on your Instagram Note. Okay, so that's it. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Okay.